Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you an amazing product that I have used and it works perfectly well when it comes to you getting rid of wrinkle. I have tried this product severally and it works. This simple recipe, just with 2 ingredients, you get rid of the wrinkle irrespective of how long the wrinkle has been on your face. So this works better than Botox. Honestly, it works better than some anti-aging or products. So I tried this. So what I have here is Blue Sea Vaseline. And someone will be saying, oh, you guys have come again with this story about Blue Sea Vaseline. But this is a pure petroleum jelly. This is the original one. It works perfectly well because I have been using this and I can attest to the fact that it works perfectly well because it's super moisturizer. I love it so much. It moisturizes the skin to the highest level. Okay, so those of us that have been asking for what you can use on your face for as moisturizer, if it's good for your skin, go for it. So the next item I have here, I have my vitamin E capsule here. So the vitamin E capsule was actually filled up here, and I have 2 left. So like I told you, I have been using this over and over, and because it works, so I'll continue using this as my anti-aging face cream as my facial moisturizer, which is very good. Okay, so this the type of vitamin E capsule that I have. I just found out that this particular one right here is very nice. Honestly, I imported this. Okay, I've not yet seen this in my local markets. Probably maybe I've not checked well, but it works perfectly well. So I'm just going to be using the 2 left. This is very good. It works perfectly well in getting rid of wrinkle, getting rid of dark spots as well, and it also moisturizes your face. So I'm just going to be taking the amount of the Blue Sea Vaseline that I want to make use of. I think this is enough for the 2 vitamin E capsule. If I have much vitamin E capsule, I would have made use of it, but because my vitamin E capsule is just 2, so I'm going to be using that quantity of Blue Sea Vaseline. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, just to open my vitamin E oil and pour into my Blue Sea Vaseline. Just mix the 2 items together the way I'm doing right here, and you can use it as your facial moisturizer. Is very good. So another thing is, if you want to add this collagen, so this collagen serum, okay, anything that contains collagen, just know that it's for anti-aging. So the first one here say for anti-acne, for anti-aging, and also moisturizing and whitening as well. So you can just add a drop of any collagen because collagen also is for anti-aging. But if you don't want to add any collagen, it is perfect, like perfectly well. It is perfect. Just use it the way it is. So you can add this serum to boost the effect of your anti-wrinkle remover cream. Okay, so this is it. 1 drop, just a dropper is enough, and just mix everything together. So this how it is. You can actually use this before you apply your facial powder. It's very good. Go ahead and try this and give me your feedback. Definitely you will attest to the fact that you start seeing visible results. Within 1 week, you'll be amazed at the result, that the wrinkle will start disappearing and you have a clearer and a glowing face. So that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin. Do take care of your health. See you in my next video.